Okay, so this is my trunk seal. I bought this stuff at Lowe's, 3/8 thick. And I put a trimmer string through here, you know, for your grass trimmer. That goes all the way through, out the other end.
Is this still sticking out over there?
Yeah. And then I just used a little piece of black tape on here.
Don't make it too thick or it won't go through there.
Yeah. So it should pull through fairly easy. I tried the 3/8 thing before I put the string on it, and it did go in the hole. So the whole thing is, I don't know where the water is coming from. So I figured try this. Part of it seemed crushed. So that's why I thought I'd try this. Okay, if you could feed it through, I'll pull it and see how lucky we get. Going through fairly easy.
You got the tape. Let me know when you get the tape.
He just pulled off the tape. So it almost made it through. Okay, so pull that end back out. It almost made it through. I only had a couple more feet.
It must be a little smaller in there because it's not coming back as easy as it went in.
Now that I think of it, I think the guy said he used some grease or something on it to lube it up. But I don't think it really needed it.
Well, that tape might have been just a little bit too thick.
Or maybe it hit the part that was crushed. Like the top part was crushed. If I bend that, then I know it's not going to be thick. So I'll do it like this. I'll make it longer, like that. We're having fun.
Yeah, you always got a project going.
I'll probably just add this to the other video for the trunk, so you'll get the complete scenario of all the wetness and black mold. so let's put a little olive oil on here, or just grab the spray oil. Come over here, spray it on here so it doesn't get on the floor. Just spray part of it. Yeah, I'm just using like a cooking oil. Hold that so it doesn't hit the floor. Oil all over the floor. You want to work the other end and just pull it through? Or you want to use this end?
Yeah.
Oh, this has to go through first.
Yeah. So you gotta feed that all the way through there.
So this has to go all the way through before we
No,
can.
it's not going in there.
Oh, see, it's ripped here. You can order new ones. I think I had an old Taurus back in the 90s. I replaced a bunch of these around the doors. And they weren't that expensive back then, right? Maybe 25 bucks or so. But for the trunk, I'm not even going to worry about it. I just happened to see that video where the guy said, use this foam. So I think it'll work. Now it's getting stuck. First time it went right through.
That's probably why it came off and we go through there. There's a spot in there that's bad.
Oh, okay. It's coming through now. The other side is ripped like that too. See, this was glued together right by the lock. I had to pull it apart. Okay. So here's the fun part.
Let's straighten that out real straight.
You want to lay it on the table, or you want to? Okay, I'll put this end down on the floor, so most of it's right down on the floor. Right in this bend here that goes around the corner, that's where it's stuck. So I'll just straighten this out over here. Okay.
Put it through.
Yeah, we got it.
Good.
With plenty to spare. Okay, so here's the other end. Right here at this crease, that's where I think it was getting stuck. That goes around one of the corners. Okay? Okay, see ya. Bye.